Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make custard vanilla ice cream. First, let's gather our key ingredients and equipment. You'll need 1 3/4 cups of heavy cream, 1 1/4 cups of whole milk, 8 large egg yolks, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, and 1 1/2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Make sure your ice cream maker bowl is pre-chilled and ready to go for later steps. Having everything prepared makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's create that rich custard base. In a bowl, whisk your 8 egg yolks with 3/4 cup of sugar and a pinch of salt until light and creamy. In a separate saucepan, gently heat your cream and milk until it just begins to simmer. Slowly pour about 1 cup of the hot milk into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs. Then, return this tempered mixture to the saucepan and cook over medium-low heat, stirring until it thickens beautifully. After cooking, it's crucial to chill our custard properly. First, strain the warm custard through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl to ensure a silky smooth texture. Next, stir in your 1 1/2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, which will infuse that classic flavor. To cool it quickly, place the bowl over an ice bath, stirring occasionally. Once cooled, cover and refrigerate the custard for at least 4 hours or ideally overnight, until it reaches 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, it's time for the exciting part, churning. Pour your thoroughly chilled custard base into your pre-chilled ice cream maker bowl. Churn the mixture according to your machine's specific instructions, which usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it has the delightful consistency of soft-serve ice cream. Transfer this delicious, soft ice cream into an airtight container and freeze it for at least 4 hours, or until it's perfectly firm and ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.